Hi, good morning to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, we'll see this Panasonic MX GC3550 900 watt mixer grinder. This is from the Panasonic, which is in the white color. I'll tell you the price details, and at the end of the video, I'll check the online availability also. This is the offline store, but I pretty much like this mixer grinder, and this comes with the 3 jars, one chutney jar and 2 other jars. I'll also show you the main thing which is attractive of this Panasonic mixer grinder is that lock system and the handles. See, when you observe this product, the total top one which I'm touching now is the rotatable jar. See here, just you need to rotate and take it off. Fix it again. See, it's fixed. And this one also, the jar top also, the lock system, I'll be trying to open this. Just press that, and you need to open the lid. Means very tight lid, no spilling of the food or the material what you are mixing or grinding in this. I'll show you the 2 other jars, and it is mentioned that powerful 900 watts. So whatever the masalas or the chutneys, whatever you prepare, maybe they will be in the fine paste. So if I purchase this, I'll make a how to use video on this. For now I'll take the another jar. This would probably the 1 liter jar, and I'll show you the online presence. When I try to search the same product online, I am unable to find this exact model on Flipkart or Amazon as of now. At this point of time, while I search this, currently I couldn't find that. In another website, I found out the details. Maybe I can show you the details purpose. 19,000 RPM, 2 years warranty, rust resistant, and so are the details. And if you can observe, this is the gasket free jars. The top lids are the gasket free, which is the main advantage of this Panasonic. And please do comment which mixer grinder are you using right now, and which brand of mixer grinder do you want to buy in the future if you are looking to buy. And please do comment how do you feel about